And we still got some delicious lamb left over from our family meal. So we're gonna transform it into a lovely gyro. For our lamb gyro, we're gonna start with a homemade tzatziki sauce. And all we're gonna do is just take a little bit of sour cream. We got some cucumber. This is something that you can get from the store, but it's so easy. And it's just a few ingredients that I would suggest making it for yourself. And also, like, if you live at home by yourself, a lot of times you'll buy a whole vegetable or something and not be able to use it. And so this is a really cool recipe to repurpose some of those things. So right now, all we've got is a little bit of sour cream. We got some cucumber, we got some dill, and a little bit of garlic powder. Cut up a lemon, and I'm just gonna use half the juice of one lemon. Make sure I don't get any seeds in. I'm going to take this, I'm gonna smear a little bit of our tzatziki on it. This is also something that you can get in New York everywhere. Street, you can go to a restaurant, mad good. Hell yeah, I eat street meat. I eat street meat all the time. Whoever don't eat street meat, you got another thing coming for you, especially in New York City. You gotta eat street meat there. Lettuce, tomato, I'm gonna take that lamb. You can heat this up in the microwave if you like. Heat it up on a stovetop. You can eat it cold if you want. Whatever floats your boat, you do that. Look how beautiful that is. All of the colors of spring. We're gonna garnish this with a little bit of Za'atar. A salad on a pita. It's the best of both worlds, right? Salad pita sandwich. There we go. Bon appetit to making meals and transforming them into beautiful things. Cheers. That's so good. So quick, so delicious. That's it. We have taken a family meal and showed you how to create different things out of it so you don't have to eat the same crusty ass meal all week long. So it's springtime. I'm Derrell Smith, and this is Mad Good Food. Cheers.